always described it.
I was having some trouble with the radio and I didn't see it. I didn't expect to see anyone out here, really. Nobody comes this way anymore.
No shit. So I noticed. But I was wondering, where's Sandra? I mean, our car broke down and she went to your gas station trying to get help.
I didn't see anybody on my way down here. Besides, I'm not coming from the gas station. I just got back from visiting a sick friend and was on my way to get some groceries.
The engine sure has seen a lot of wear and tear. Right.
Is it bad?
Not really. See this rubber hose here? The first. I need to replace it. I can fix it with some duct tape for now. You might consider coming back to the station. I can replace the whole thing. It would probably double the value of your car. Just follow me.
Thanks. Well?
You got it.
Oh, not again! And who has to clean up the mess as usual? That's right! I have to take you to the asylum so they can put you out of your misery, you slut!
What the hell is going on there?
Look at what your stupid beast did! It's always the same!
He can't help it.
Can't you teach him some discipline for Christ's sake?
Come on. I told you we'll make it fine. What you call my beast is my problem.
Yeah, right. But when it comes to cleaning up the mess, whose problem is it then, huh?
Listen, Martha, mind your own business. Go back in the store and do what you were paid to do. Besides, you have a customer waiting. Here it is. Don't worry.
Much more traffic around here, but ever since the military left the base, life around here came to a standstill. Well, maybe your friend went back to the place where your car broke down.